Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Do you ever have trouble making emojis with brackets and symbols? Do you end up sending something that looks like this? Or do you want to spice up your messages and comments with some cool and unique emojis? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. It's called fsymbols.com, and it's a website that has thousands of emojis and emoticons for you to use. You can find anything from smileys, animals, flags, hearts, stars, and the best part is you can copy and paste them easily. Let me show you how. First, open Google and search for fsymbols.com. Then click on the first result. You will see a homepage like this. For example, if you want to find some smileys, you can click on this icon. You will see a page like this here. You can scroll through hundreds of smileys and emoticons. You can see their names and meanings, and you can also search for them by typing in the search bar. For example, if I type happy, I will see all the smileys and emoticons that express happiness. Now, to copy and paste an emoji or emoticon, all you have to do is click on it. It will automatically be copied to your clipboard. Then you can go to your message or Instagram comment and paste it. It's that simple. I will go to an Instagram comment and paste it. See? It looks awesome. You can do the same with any emoji or emoticon you like. You can mix and match them and create your own combinations. You can also use them to express your emotions, opinions, or personality. For example, if I want to say that I love this video, I can use this heart. Or if I want to say that I'm feeling sad, I can use this frown. Or if I want to say that I'm a star, I can use this star. You get the idea. So, that's how you use fsymbols.com to find and copy cool emojis and emoticons. I hope you had fun with fsymbols.com and found some cool emojis and emoticons to use. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the bell icon and turn on the